So this video here is for all my aspiring marine mechanics, specifically if you are trying to work on yachts. I'm just going to give you here a little brief tour of engine rooms and what your work environment would look like. So this is one of the first boats that I actually worked on. I think actually the second one. I think I did quite a few jobs on both the port and the starboard engine. Starboard is your right side engine when you're facing the bow. Left is your port. This one right here had these V8 Detroit engines in there. I think this issue here was like a alignment issue. I think we had to align these engines here. But some of these engine rooms, I can tell you, they're pretty small, pretty cramped. Some of them got space. This one here was another set of Detroit engines that we were undressing so we can get them out, which we ended up getting them out and everything like that. So in this one here, this one was a beautiful one too as well. I was working on the, what they call, these are fins, and we were fin stabilizers. We're trying to basically do maintenance on them and change out some seals and change out the fluid and everything like that, which we got that going. This is the engine room to the same boat. Engine room pretty small. I didn't do any work in this one, but I just thought I'd go ahead and give you guys a good brief look at it. And it's clean. A lot of these engine rooms, I tell you, it's clean. There's some that I've been into that were not clean, but I think the bigger the boat, the cleaner it gets, because a lot of the bigger boats is just pretty clean, and everything there is just like, it's like easy to work because it's like everything is like easy to find. This day here it was raining really bad. This is at a yacht club, and I got invited to help work and do the maintenance, which I ended up doing the maintenance on it, and then the key did other work. But yeah, this is engine room. This is pretty spacious. We got some cat engines in here. Look at those big things. And it was pretty hot in this one actually because it was already humid outside, pretty muggy and everything like that. But this engine room was actually pretty big. I mean, I don't know if you think it's maybe one of the biggest I've been in. And here's this boat here. Some of these places here, they look like actual homes, like living rooms and everything like that. So I know with me, I want to get one soon. But here is the engine room to that one, and yeah, another one here. Getting on it, and try not to show too much around. The only thing I want to show is just engine rooms, not necessarily the interior, but you will get to see if you are a marine mechanic already or you're aspiring to be a marine mechanic, and you can see this is what your environment would look like. So when you are going to be a marine mechanic, make sure you have those home welcoming rules. Take your shoes off, just consideration. Also making sure you pad up the floors. This is another set of some Detroit's V8s, really popular. Look at that. And this one, each engine had its own little room. So this is I'm trying to see if it's facing. That was the starboard, and the port was the other side. This one right here is a very clean engine room. This is on a Huckins boat, and some twin Cummins in there, QSBs, big engines. This one here has some 2 Yanmars. I did a lot of work on these. I changed all those zincs and did the service and aligned both port and starboard. And this one here worked very well. Also did some failures on that as well. This one here was a unique job. I'm trying to think if we were able to even complete this job because of the size of the socket that we needed to get the seacock out and all these kind of things like that. It was just very, very troublesome. And this one right here was like one of the last ones I worked on. I haven't worked on any boat engines right now in just a couple months, but this one I like. This one. This was just awesome. Twin Yanmar engines. This boat was getting remodeled and rebuilt and all that stuff like that. They were doing a lot of the woodwork on it, but I did the maintenance on it. I changed out the intercooler. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or any comments, you guys let me know. You guys, good luck out there. Like and subscribe.